The Gorilla Gadget's military-grade case for the Samsung Galaxy S10 case has a 360 metal rotating ring kickstand holder, built-in magnetic car mount, and heavy-duty armor shockproof cover. Gorilla Gadget's advantage: 10 years cell phone accessory experience with hundreds of top-quality units sold. Strong protection: our phone case supplies double-layer fall security that consists of a PVC back cover, PVC bumper, and a silicone inner frame. Optimum shock absorption with an anti-slip coating that protects your phone from bumps and also drops. Dynamic metal ring: special design has a metal ring that functions as a kickstand, which allows hands-free video and also streaming. The ring can twist 360 degrees to fit all angles. Keep your phone secured in your hand by placing your finger in the ring. Perfect for one-handed operations. Metal plate can connect to magnetic vehicle holder also. Screen and video camera protection: raised bezel edges stop your Samsung S10 digital camera and screen from any kind of rubbing or direct contact with surface areas. Precise cutouts enables accessibility to all ports and also functions without any abstraction while supplying complete protection for your phone. Absolutely no signal loss, no disturbance with your phone's ability to obtain or transmit signals or information. The S10 case is slim enough to be wireless billing friendly. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.